Now we have laid down the delivery pipe, and now what we are about to do is where you cannot afford even to gamble with accuracy, because you want now to perforate the holes of the drips, and I'll put this drip pipe, connect the drip pipe with the delivery pipe. You cannot manage to gamble with the accuracy. So what we are going to do to ensure that we don't gamble with accuracy, we are going to tap this delivery pipe in every path here. At this point, all these points, the paths between the beds, that's where we'll tap the delivery pipes so that it can be something like this, and then we'll perforate the holes. So we are tapping the pipe to ensure that when we will be perforating the holes here for drips, it doesn't move. It's just for accuracy purposes. We can be sure now that once we tap it like this, it won't move. It will be intact. And then we'll later cover the whole thing after we have installed the drips. So we are cutting the drip pipe, and because our trench is not even, we cannot cut all of them equal. We are just estimating in accordance to the level of the trench adjacent to the bed. We have already laid down the delivery pipe, and so after here we will start perforating the delivery pipe. So before you fix this one in the drip pipe, you have to heat it just a little bit. You have to heat it to make it flexible. And then you put it like that. And then you do like this, just to ensure it is tight. See, like that. And the other end, you do the same. It will be like that, you see, both end. That's how you normally do it. It's as easy as that. So we have finished tapping the delivery pipe. Now the next thing is perforating the holes and now connecting with the drips. Let me show you how you do that, and the gadget that we normally use. Perforating the holes, one, you have perforated a hole, you cannot amend that. So it's a mistake that you cannot afford to commit. You must be careful even in estimating. You will be guided by these lines. Mainly they are for guiding you. You can use them to guide you, but perforate. So The other one will be here somewhere at the middle of the beds, and the other one here. You have to ensure that the interval is equal from this point to this one and to the third point. That's how you do it. Now you go to the third one somewhere here. It's as simple as that, and this is what you use. This is a H-type rubber, and that is what we normally put here, and then we will add this one here. The purpose of this one is to ensure it's tight here, and the water the water won't be leaking. And then we are done. This is one bed, and you put this one here, just like that. As simple as that. So mrefu.